So guys, behind the scenes with the Nas collab, Nas is setting up for her video. Alright, so what time is it? 3 o'clock in the morning, and the only reason I'm up this early right now is to watch a show. Not just any show. See that? Series finale. I'm a huge WandaVision fan. What the heck? This not right. This not right. You know what? Listen, I have my phone. Right here. I'm gonna go watch it.
1 hour later.
Well, episode done. Was expecting to see a few more things, but I still left this thing with a lot of questions. For the most part, things get resolved. I know who watched WandaVision and know about how the series finale did go. You can let me know the thoughts in the comments. Yeah, anyways, I have to get back to sleep because I have to go somewhere soon. Alright, next part of the vlog, we finally reached at Hope Gardens. Is like I said, the only place I actually know. So Joey there, my chef done some food. Come on, man. Yeah, it's impractical help me with them something here. So right now waiting on Nas to arrive, Nastasia, and then we're gonna film my video. So in the meantime, I'm gonna go and set up because we're kinda on a time crunch. So I want to do this as quick as possible. Man, watch me. Well, yeah, go and set up. Really, actually, it's up there, so I did want to do it. Like, up there, so we did do the thing with adventures, but I'm probably just deal with it over there, so. Probably deal with it. Whoa, what a bird. Ready for come eat after the food. One thing about Hope Gardens, when you come here, the place is empty. It's really just like the people working here, like him. But other than that, the place is quite literally so empty, and well, honestly, I love it. I love it. So right now, I'm just gonna like look at this location over here because I think I want to do it over here. Ooh. But yeah, I'm kind of look to see if we actually have like some decks or something that we could use. Oh no, apparently we don't. It looks like it's just alright, so we can't do it over here. So because over here is just a bench. Over here is just a bench. Well, I guess there's a possibility that we could just do it here instead. Not sure, but I know me basically just scout out the place and see what will work, what won't work. I like the location here, but it's up to really what Nas is up for. Let me see how good this looks. Not a fan of right here at all. Not a fan. Maybe it's only bad from that angle. I'm just basically like looking at myself, looking at background, looking at how everything looks. Bro, this tree right now is giving me some serious anxiety. What the heck? Why does it look like that? This is really what we're assessing skills are. I mean, it could work. It's pretty cool under here right now, so that helps as well. You know what? I think I'm gonna use here. It's not that bad. It's not very noisy. It can work. May use that one. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just coming back to the spot that we had last time around, but it looks like the spot is gone because somebody's there sitting down. Even though I prefer this location just because of how secluded it is, looks like we're gonna have to settle with the one around there because there are people here already. So I guess it is what it is. It is what it is. Let's go. I'll catch you guys back once we're setting up. Alright, it's settled. This is the location we're filming at. I hope it works for Nas. Well, I don't mind it, and I don't mind it. It's only the tree in the background. It look kind of weird. I don't know. Alright, so basically this is what I've been doing, and I mean, I just set up everything in time for him to come. You have the jar of theirs, the speaker, the plate them for put the skittles in, and then you have Joel over here, so the videographer. Yeah, man. If the video look bad, it's film fault, you know. Hey Nas, you everything good?
Yeah man, I'm running late, but you can go and eat already?
Yeah.
Alright, go and set up a suko.
Alright, cool.
Alright.
Want me to come? Basically, just ran through the whole operation with Joel a while ago, cause I have it in this book right here. Whole operation with Joel and how it go. By the way, guys, I have a photography page, so make sure you want to check that out. I'm planning to take some pictures today of Joel, the mogul.
Please don't.
The mogul. He's the mogul.
A few minutes later.
Not for real report, pan. I mean, I'm just looking at how good this background there is. Shoot, I like this camera. Tell me if you guys want a camera review on my camera that I'm using right here. Update for you guys, you know. We had to move. Ended up coming over here to this gazebo because they're cleaning up over where we were. So we're gonna have to go back there after them done. But in the meantime, we're still waiting on Nas. Nas, man, so yeah, go watch this. Anyway, I'm kind of just wandering the place now, though, you know. But like, look at these eerie trees. That's Joel over there playing some weird music. I don't know, weird differently. While we're waiting on Nas, we just took some pictures. You guys got to see them on the photography page that I have. So make sure you want to check it out. I just took some pics of Joel trying to imitate like him. Like waiting on someone with time. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna caption it yet. I'm on the music star. Hey guys, so after that clip, Nas actually showed up, but we ended up having to go back to the second spot that I was scouting out because the first spot got super dusty, you know, because they were cleaning or whatever. But the person who was actually at the second spot before that eventually moved, so we were able to set up base over there and, you know, film the video. This next clip that you're about to see is me practicing the intro. When you start recording, when you see that,
Oh, I'm gonna see the wreck.
yeah. Alright, so hey guys, Jamaica here. Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm joined by a special guest, Nas Ellis, and then she'll come in. Yeah guys, this has been a collab that has been in the... Yeah guys, this is a collab that has been a long time in the making, and we finally got her, guys. We finally got her. So yeah, in today's video we're going to be doing a 1 versus 1 ultimate Jamaican YouTuber challenge. And then in the edit gonna stop right there.
1 hour later.
So guys, behind the scenes of the Nas collab, Nas is setting up for her video. Look at the mic, man. Catch the mic.
I need to figure out like I need it to be like here, unless an Alicia comes to hold it. Or should I do?
It can't go on like it can't go like up here. Oh,
not that I know of anyway. Hold on. Wait, hold on.
yes.
Wait, if all this time it could do that, I'm going to be upset. Wait, it's like not going all the way. Hold on. Yeah, because it has a barrier.
Oh, cause for a second I was about to be like, wow.
This time I would have really be fixed, cause that's just crazy.
It can catch.
It I forgot catch. Wonder if it can catch.
It in the frame?
No way.
I hope it's not in the frame. It's not?
It's not. No way. This whole time.
Wow.
Crazy.
Guys, I just helped Nas to figure out life.
This whole time. You're a genius, cause this
Yeah.
whole time I never noticed that you could have catch.
Low.
Jano.
Yeah man, it look good. Yeah
Let me get
guys.
my question. Ooh, I have to like cut down some because
Wow. Hope you've asked so much question. I don't understand. I see you already, Alicia. Alicia is here, guys.
hope you can think on your
Ooh, I'll try to think on the fly. It really was a pleasure to meet Nastasia. Wait, why is it so dark? Oh my gosh. Oh, it's coming back. Okay. Wait. Okay,
Yeah.
there we go. Alright guys, so this is the vlog. We're signing out. Sign out, Nas.
sign out.
Sign out. Alicia is here.
Right, later.
Alright, bye Nas.
Good to meet you.
Aww.
I hope I get to meet you guys again.
Yeah. Are you sure such a fun?
I'm really such a fan.
Give me a number.
I'm actually keeping count.